The dandelion botanical name, Taraxacum officinale, speaks for its usefulness and refers to the healing effect. Namely, Taraxacum comes from the Greek and means anti-inflammatory, and officinale refers to the common name for herbs. However, the anti-inflammatory effect is not the only benefit of the dandelion. According to Chinese old medical text 659 AD, this plant was used at the time, for example, to treat indigestion, inflammation of the caecum, and inflammation of the breast. In the West, the dandelion became known as a medicinal plant around the 10th and the 11th centuries, when an Arab healer wrote about the usefulness of this plant in his medical journal. Once introduced in Europe, dandelion became a valued medicinal plant throughout Europe. You may consider dandelion as a type of weed, but its root has a long history of therapeutic use. Dandelion has been used since ancient times for its healthful properties and support for liver complaints. In Korean herbal medicine, dandelion has been used to improve energy levels and health. Yes, and you should also know that this super healthy root has been accepted by many people around the world. I really think that you will be amazed when we tell you that a recent study has revealed that dandelion contains chemicals whose biological activities are actively being explored for roles in human health. In particular, evidence suggests that dandelion contains antioxidant and redness-resistant compounds. The researchers have discovered that dandelion root extract was extremely cytotoxic to all the 3 types of human leukemia cells tested, killing up to 96% of the CMML cells, chronic myelomonocytic leukemia, after 48 hours of treatment in vitro. The extract was prepared from dandelions freshly picked from a local grassy field, and the researchers stated that the extract has great potential as an effective alternative to conventional chemo. But the question remains, will dandelion work against this cancer in real people? The famous Dr. Caroline Ham, because the lead researcher in this study, mentioned that several patients in her Canadian cancer clinic went into remission for months by using dandelion tea. One patient in particular was a 72-year-old man from whom aggressive chemo treatments had failed. So the hospital sent him home and told him that he doesn't have much time. So this brave 72-year-old man started drinking dandelion tea and returned to the clinic 4 months later in complete remission from cancer. What happened next? Well, 3 years later he was still in remission and healthy. And at the same time, different studies have revealed that dandelion extracts are also potently active against pancreatic cancer, melanoma, breast cancer, and prostate cancer. This is no surprise to herbal medicine specialists. Various extracts of dandelion have been already used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat multiple illnesses.